idea, and opportunity cards, both in the book and in the game. The tools that help us increase our mental powers aim to access opportunities and ideas that will bring us money. That's what Think and Grow Rich is all about. On the board, there are several ways to accumulate money. One of them is when you receive your paycheck, another is when you receive Circes. But the considerable amounts come after you have persuaded your brain to connect you with great ideas and show you where the opportunities are.
Big idea cards. These cards contain an idea you can implement in your business. You get them when you have managed to put together a set of colors and land on the tool that gives you an idea card. When landing on them, you get a big idea card. You will see what the idea is all about on the back, and you can decide if you want to keep it or let it go. Note, if you save it, your next step will be to put it into action, and you must have the money required to put it into action. If a player falls into take action, he can steal your idea, pay the investment to the bank, and convert it into one of his assets. You can collect as many ideas as possible, and by landing into taking action, you can convert them all simultaneously, as long as you can pay for them. Once you have converted an idea and put it into action, no one can take that away from you.
Opportunities. I have the opportunity to buy a house at an excellent price. I have the opportunity to do this or that. Nothing is more illusory than these types of phrases every day. Each opportunity must be correct in time, in money, and above all, right for you. However, horrible mistakes disguise themselves as an opportunity, and most of us tend to fall into this trap. When we wish for an opportunity, we must first wish for mental clarity to recognize it when it appears. Otherwise, we could only be playing Russian roulette. To detect good opportunities requires a certain degree of awareness. In the game, access to opportunities is a privilege for those who already have a complete set. In all sets, there is a tool that allows you to take an opportunity card. Opportunities are yours when you land in the right tool. If you want to take it, you must pay the required investment. You can collect as many opportunities as possible. Nobody can steal the opportunities from you, and they are effective immediately.
Tips for ideas and opportunities. A new idea can always complement an opportunity taken in the real world, also in the game. Each opportunity and big idea card has a number printed on it. Suppose you manage to have a set of opportunities and ideas with the same number. In that case, it means you have a winning combination that will give you double the payment every time you land and cash out. Tip number 1. Opportunities and ideas can be exchanged, sold, given away, traded between players. This part is fascinating because you are going to demonstrate your negotiating skills. Why should you trade an idea? Simply because it has the number that corresponds to the opportunity you already have. That is the way to accelerate your victory. Tip number 2. Always keep an eye on what ideas and opportunities have been taken, their numbers, and which of the players is a prospect to trade with you. You are allowed to negotiate only when is your turn.
To win, you must take into account the amount written on the back of your definite major purpose card. When you meet or exceed your financial ambition amount, you win. Now, go and start this process in your life. Don't wait, the time will never be just right. Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich.